In this tech tip, we will have a look at some of the assembly component selection options available in SolidWorks that you might not have used before. First, access the standard toolbar and note that there is a selection menu available. In the menu, there are quite a few options for selecting components in your assembly. You can select by volume, which allows you to create a 3D volume to select components. You can also select all suppressed components, all hidden components, components mated to a selection, and all internal components of an assembly. You can also access the Advanced Select tool from here. Let's try out a couple of these options. How about the volume option? To use the volume selection, it is probably best to switch to an orthographic view first, and then draw a selection volume box. The viewpoint will then change to a 3D view, and your volume box will be displayed. Any components that the volume totally encompasses will be selected. Note that components that cross the volume are not selected. You can adjust the size of the volume by using the arrows to encompass more or less components. Here I'll make the volume larger in order to select more components. When finished with the volume selection, pick in the graphics area and the components will remain selected. One of the other really useful options is Select Mated To. Here I'll select the transparent outer sleeve of this assembly. All the components that are physically mated to the selected components will now be selected. So, as you can see, having these handy selection options might make it easier for you to work with your assemblies.